In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start YouTube automation business for beginners without showing your face and without using your voice, just by using free website that will help you to make faceless YouTube videos, professional and engaging faceless YouTube videos. And as you can see, I already have a faceless YouTube channel, and in just one single day, this channel has made $768 just in one single day. Maybe this will motivate you to start your own YouTube channel, and I'm gonna share with you the method that I use to find trending topics, which niche you can choose, and so on. Okay, so let's get started. So first, what you need to do to choose specific topics for your niche is you need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so just go to your YouTube homepage. So what we will do, we will use YouTube search and ask questions. So for example, we ask how to. So for example, let's say how to train your, you can ask any question you want, how to train your dog. So let's take for example the animal niche. You can choose animal niche, healthy niche. If you choose healthy niche, for example, ask how to eat, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. If you choose animal niche, you can ask for example how to train your dog, how to train your cat, how to train and so on. You can ask just a question about the niche that you choose. YouTube will give you trending and interesting topics that people are already searching for on YouTube. Okay, as you can see over here, if that makes sense. As you can see, so how to train your dog. People are searching for, as you can see, how to train your dog to sit, how to train your dog to pop in one place, how to train your dog to stay. Those are the topics that people are searching for. If you make a YouTube video about one of those topics, you can get views, get subscribers, and you can grow your YouTube channel fast using this method. So let's take for example this topic, how to train your dog to sit. What you will do is you need to create an engaging YouTube script about this topic. Okay, so what you will do is you just need to go to ChatGPT. Okay, if you don't have an account on ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so just click over here and ask him make an engaging YouTube script about how to train your dog to sit. Easy and simple. Click over here and ChatGPT will create an amazing YouTube script for you. So you have two choices. You can record this YouTube script using your own voiceover, or you can use this website that I'm gonna share with you right now. Okay, as you can see, segment 1, segment 2, segment 4, and so on. And you will give you intro, outro, title, everything you need. Okay, this is your title, this is your introduction, this is the hook, this is segment 1, segment 2. So what you will do, you will copy this YouTube script. I'm gonna copy this one, and what you need to do now is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. So what you will do, you will go to Google and you will search for Play HT. Click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Play HT. So click over here on change voice, and they have different voiceovers as you can see over here. They have American voiceover, British voiceover, Canadian voiceover, Australian voiceover, a lot of voiceovers. Choose which one you like. So let's check this one for example.
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their neck's getting longer. But then, like, you hear a story like that.
As you can see, it's in high quality. It's a really great voice. It's almost like a human voiceover. So I'm gonna choose this one, Chris. So for you, you can use anyone you like. For me, I like to use this one. Click on the voiceover that you want to use. Click over here on confirm. Okay, then put your YouTube script here. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. Let's copy this script, and let's put this YouTube script here. Okay, like this. So I'm gonna go and copy segment number 2 to make the video long. I don't want to make it too much long for you guys, so I just want to share with you this method that I'm using. So let's go to play HT. I will put this over here, and okay, let me see. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, click over here on generate speech, and you just need to wait a few seconds and your voiceover will be ready. Okay, will be recorded. What you need to do next is you need to turn this voiceover into an engaging and professional YouTube video, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, so let's see. So you just need to wait a few seconds for this script to be recorded. It might take just a few seconds, and here you go. Let's check.
You might be wondering, why is teaching my dog to sit so crucial? Well, my friends, it's not just about showing off tricks. It's a foundational command that sets the stage for other behaviors and helps in.
And here you go. What you will do next is you need to click over here on this icon over here, and your voiceover will be down onto your laptop. So now how we can turn this voiceover into an engaging and professional YouTube video? What you need to do is you just need to go to Canva. Okay, so go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click over here on upload, click on upload file, and you need to upload your voiceover. Okay, so I will upload my voiceover. This is my voiceover. Click on open, and here you go. Your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be over here. Click over here on add page. Okay, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover like this. Okay, so after that, go back to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, choose which transition you want to add between your videos. So for me, I like to use this one to make it simple, and make it to 0.3. Click on apply between all page, and your transition will be applied between all your page. Okay, you can also you can use different transition between your page if you want. Okay, if you just click over here, you can use different transition. Okay, so for me, I like just to use this one. So what you will do, click on the first page again, click over here on elements, click on the search for dog, because we are making videos about dog. Okay, click over here on videos, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here about dogs. For me, for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Just click on the video that you want to use in the first of your video. Your video will be over here, as you can see. Click on 3 points, set the video as background, and click over here. As you can see, this video is too much long, so we need to make it short. Click over here. In the end of the video, swipe left. Keep clicking and swipe left like this. You can swipe left or swipe right to make the video. You can control the video from here. Make it just short, so you can add different video. Okay, to make it more engaging and professional. So let's use another video. I'm gonna choose this one. 3 points again. Set the video as background. Make it short. Click on the next page. Scroll down. I will add this one over here, and add different videos. Make sure to use different videos to make your video more engaging and professional. Okay, so let's see. Let's use this one over here. Set the video as background. Make it short. Click on the next page. Scroll down. I'm gonna use this one here, and I'm making videos that people are searching for. So I already this topic already can get views and get subscribers, and it can go viral. Okay, because people are searching for this one. So I'm gonna choose this one over here. like this. Click on the next page, scroll down. You will find a lot of videos here about dogs that you can use. Okay, make it short. Click on the next page and you will have amazing YouTube video. Okay, I will use this one over here, and here you go. So let's check the video now, and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion. It will take just a few minutes from your time to make faceless videos. You can make up to like 3 or 5 videos per day, easy and simple. Let's check.
You might be wondering, why is teaching my dog to sit so crucial? Well, my friends, it is not just about showing off tricks. It's a foundational command that sets the stage for other behaviors and helps in situations like crossing the street, greeting guests, and even taking cute Instagram photos. Now, let's talk about setting the stage for success. Grab your dog's favorite treats.
And here you go. As you can see, guys, we just made faceless YouTube video using Canva about how to train your dog to sit. Easy and simple. After you finish, click over here on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop, then you can go and upload the videos to your YouTube channel, and you can start animal niche. Easy and simple. Make videos about animals if you want. There are a lot of people are searching for topics about animals, as I show you on YouTube. So it's up to you. If you want to start, you don't need to invest any money. You can start for free. So that's why you should start your own faceless YouTube channel. Keep improving, keep making content consistency. Okay, because if you upload just one video or two, you will not succeed. You need to make a lot of videos and you need to be consistent. Keep uploading more videos, keep improving if you want to succeed on YouTube. Okay, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.